Hello, my name is Tanya and I'm here today to talk about a urban system that connects water with food. But first, we need to understand the problem. Urbanization is growing rapidly. Today, more than 3.5 billion people live in cities, and by 2050, the world is going to reach an urban population of 6.3 billion people, and we'll need to feed them all. This represents 80% more food to be grown. Today, we use a third of the Earth's surface for agriculture, and by 2050, we'll need twice as much. We are finishing our resources. Furthermore, today it takes 10 calories of fossil fuel energy to produce a single calorie of modern food. When we eat from the industrial food system, we are contributing to the 32% of greenhouse gas emission generated by the humans. And talking about climate change, what about the water? According to the NCA, the amount of precipitation in the northeast region of the country has increased 71% since 1958. The heavy events are more frequent, and we have reached amounts of precipitation up to 8 inches. Flash floods, major storms, and the higher storm surge, intensified by sea level rise, cause more frequent and stronger flooding events. Now, let's talk about the current agriculture system. 4 major industries in the country own most of the arable land where the industrial system begins, followed by the production, where energy is used to mix toxic chemicals with natural resources to create resistant products. Fabrics also generate pollution, more specific in the US, 4 billion pounds per year. After that, products go to distribution, then to our homes, and then to the garbage. Each person in the United States generates 4.5 pounds of garbage per day. This garbage goes to landfills or gets burned, which pollutes the air, the land, and the water. We need to see the big picture and generate a real change. The idea is to close the gap and transform this linear system into a system that doesn't waste resources. A closed-loop production system, where communities produce their own food, in roof farms, community gardens, school gardens, vacant lots, and this food is also consumed by the same people at homes, schools, local restaurants, and even sell in farmers' markets. The waste generated makes compost that is used to create energy to produce more food. The water needed to irrigate the crops is obtained by a rainwater harvesting system that also contributes to prevent flooding. This closed-loop system achieves social, environmental, and economic benefits, such as renewable energy, local economies, local jobs. It brings families and communities together, grants food security, gives environmental education. It also creates autosufficient people. It reduces heat island effect, storm runoff, water pollution, and achieves energy conservation. Urban agriculture is one of the most exciting concepts of sustainable development, since it addresses almost all areas of sustainability. It promotes self-reliance, community, and local economy while reducing many environmentally harmful practices from modern farming. So let's take a look at the proposal.